let's talk about curved surface area of cone and frustum. Okay, I will draw a cone here. Okay, having radius capital R and slant height L. Now here I have a frustum. Okay, having one small r radius and one capital R radius and slant height L dash. Okay, now just think about it. We have already learned that what is the curved surface area of cone? It is pi r L, and we have also go through the proving for the same, that how we prove that it is pi r L. Now come to the frustum. If I will give you a paper sheet and fold it, what kind of figure it will make? If it is a rectangular sheet, just visualize it. Think about it very carefully. What if this is a rectangular sheet and I just fold it? So what kind of shape I will obtain? I will obtain a cylindrical shape. But what if I'll give you a trapezium-like sheet? Okay, if I will fold it, don't you think that it will make a such kind of figure? It will be folded over here like this. And when trapezium is being folded, it will be make a frustum-like figure. Is that clear? It means the length of this shortest side will be the circumference of this smaller circle, right? And what is the radius of this smaller circle? It is a small r. Then I can say the length of this shortest side will be the circumference, means 2 pi r. Similarly, length of the larger side, it will be the circumference of the largest circle of the frustum. It means it will be 2 pi capital R. Is that clear? The distance between these two sides will be small h and this slant height will be L dash. But once again, think about it. When this frustum-like figure will be cut into from some point and will it open, it will be a trapezium-like figure, but it will be look like this. It will be circular at some point, right? It will be somewhat circular. So I cannot count here h. Okay, I will take only slant height over here. Now, can I find out the area of this trapezium? Do you guys know that what is the area of the trapezium? Area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of the length of parallel sides. That is, if it is A and if it is B, then it will be A plus B and H. H means height between these, length between these two sides, right? But in case of frustum, I will use slant height as I just told you. So my formula will be 1 by 2. As I just proved that what will be the length of these two sides? L will be 2 pi r plus 2 pi capital R into L, right? I will take 2 as common and pi as common. It is upon 2 and it will be r plus r and L. Clear? Now cancel 2 and it will be pi L r plus r. And this is the curved surface area of the frustum of cone. I hope you understand what I had just done. I just open it up and broad it and just consider it as a trapezium and derive the formula for the trapezium, for the area of trapezium. And we all know that what is the area of trapezium. Since we are not given the sides, but we are given radiuses of the circle. So we can find out what will be the length of the circumference. Hence, it will be 2 pi r and 2 pi capital R. Directly I put the value in the formula and here is the answer. This is my curved surface area of the frustum. Now, tell me what is the difference between the curved surface area and the total surface area? It is just the curved area. Total area includes the circular or the plane surfaces also. This frustum includes 2 circular surfaces. Correct? One having radius small r and one another having radius capital R. Now, what will be the area of these 2 circles? For this, it will be pi small r square, and for this, it will be pi capital R square. So, can I conclude that total surface area is equals to curved surface area plus area of 2 circular surfaces? Right or wrong? Right, kids? Then, what is the curved surface area? It is pi L R plus R, and area of 2 circular surfaces will be pi R square plus pi R square. Now I can take pi as common. It will be R plus R L plus R square plus R square. So here, this is my total surface area of the frustum of cone. Number 1, and this is curved surface area of frustum of cone. Clear? So, this is how we can derive that what is the formula of frustum of cone.